Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare fish groundnut soup. First, gather all your ingredients including fresh fish, raw groundnuts, and your chosen vegetables. Next, you'll roast and blend the groundnuts to create a smooth, rich paste. Then, clean and season your fish thoroughly, preparing it for cooking. Finally, combine everything to simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully into a delicious, hearty soup. Let's dive into the specifics. For the best flavor, choose about 2 pounds of firm, fresh fish. You'll need 1 cup of raw groundnuts, which you'll roast until they are a lovely golden brown. Prepare your vegetables by chopping 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a few chili peppers to your liking. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of palm oil and your favorite seasonings to enhance the taste. Now, let's build that delicious soup base. Begin by sautéing your chopped onions in 2 tablespoons of palm oil until they become soft and translucent. Next, add your blended tomatoes and chili peppers, cooking this mixture for about 5 minutes. Stir in the smooth groundnut paste, ensuring it's well combined with the tomato base. Finally, pour in 4 cups of water or fish stock and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It's time to add the star of the show. Gently place your seasoned fish pieces into the simmering groundnut soup. Allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the fish is perfectly tender and flaky. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and any other spices you enjoy. Serve this hearty fish groundnut soup hot, perhaps with some rice, fufu, or your favorite accompaniment for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.